Their choice of words sometimes wrong and they frequently make mistakes in the use of articles, tenses, voice, etc. Sometimes we choose a wrong article, we choose a wrong tense or voice pattern, that is active and passive voice. And that's why we frequently do some errors while speaking or writing in English. Like other units, this unit will also be greatly helpful to them in their preparation for competitive examinations. We have competitive examination center in our college. Generally, the students of BSc Part 3rd and BA Part 3rd admitted in this competitive examination center. If you want to do some career in competitive examinations or government services, your English must be superior and effective. The first point of using the articles while avoiding common errors. English uses article a, an and the before the nouns. Sometimes there is no article. We are going to study here the use of articles in the noun phrases and the meaning of articles. First point is indefinite articles. Articles a and an are used for singular countable nouns. You must remember this, that while using singular countable noun, you should use the article a and an. The difference between the use of article a and an is there. Article a is used before common nouns, beginning with consonant sound. You may know consonant and vowels. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U, and other are consonants. So here article A is used before common nouns, beginning with consonant sound. You must remember here consonant sound, not consonant letter. For example, man is a common noun, begins with consonant sound. Man, a man. You have to use a article here before man. You have to use a article before table, chair, teacher. All these are common nouns and begins with consonant sound, and that's why you have to use a article before all these consonant sounds and common nouns. Second point is a is used before countable common nouns beginning with vowel letters but pronounced as consonants. Second point is a article is used before countable nouns, common nouns, beginning with vowel letters if the word begins with vowel letter, and if it is a common countable noun, you have to use a article, but it must be pronounced as consonants. For example, here word university is there. It begins with a vowel U. You know that A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and this word begins with U, but you have to use a article before university word because it pronounced as consonant. European, European. This word also contains e vowel at the beginning of the word, but it is a countable common noun and pronounced as consonants. That's why you have to use a article before European. Useful metal, countable noun, means you can count the thing. That's why you can call it a countable noun. Useful metal is also a countable noun and pronounced as consonant. That's why you have to use a article before this word. Then an is used before common nouns beginning with vowel sound. Mind it well that an is used before common nouns beginning with vowel sounds. For example, umbrella is a word begins with vowel u and it is a common noun, and that's why you have to use an article before umbrella, before Indian, before ass, before owl, OWL, and before hour, HOUR. Here, hour is a word where consonant is used at the beginning of this word, H. This is not from the group of vowel. Vowel group, as you know, A, E, I, O, U. The word hour and the first letter of the word hour belongs not to the vowel category, but it is pronounced as vowel. An honorable man or an MA, like hour is used with the article an. Then how we use correctly the indefinite articles a and an? Articles a and an are used before a singular and countable noun. Article a and an used before singular countable noun. Generally, an is used before the word which begins with the vowel. Exceptional cases there, honorable man, hour, all these words are exceptional to this because the sound of this word indicates vowel, and that's why you have to use an word before such nouns. So, before a singular and countable noun, for example, cow is a singular and countable noun. You can use a cow there. A man, an African, an Asian, before singular and countable noun. Then where you can use a and an article. Second point is before numerical expressions. Numerical means the numbers. You can count in a number. You can count the things in a number. For that we can call numerical expressions. For example, a dozen pens. Pens are there, but a dozen is a numerical and countable noun where you can use a article before a dozen pen. Though there are 12 pens, but this is the group and this is a single group of a dozen, and that's why you have to use a article before a dozen pens. 100 girls. 100 is a group, numerical countable noun, but it is the group of 100 girls, and this is the one group of 100 girls, and that's why you have to use a article before 100 girls. In expression of price, speed, ratio, you have to use a or an article. In expression of price, in expression of speed, and in expression of ratio, you have to use 100 rupee, a dozen, a thrice a week, 20 kilometers an hour. So while using a and an, expressing the price, the speed and the ratio, you have to use an and a article before the words. Then before exclamation and singular and countable nouns, if there are exclamations, what a beautiful picture. This is an exclamatory sentence. What a beautiful picture, a beautiful picture. You are speaking about a beautiful picture, and that's why while and whenever you exclaims for something, you have to use a article in that sentence. What an essay paper it was. Second example. What an essay paper it was. An is used here. Essay, A-E-I-O-U begin with vowel sound, and that's why an is used before essay. What an essay paper it was, exclamatory mark, because exclamatory sentence is this, and so you have to use an article before essay. Thank you.